Before moving into the presentation mechanics of the business, I want to just explain about this quadrant, which this quadrant has brought enormous change in my thought process. I want to share this with you. See, this process, this statistics or the thought process, I want to tell it as ESBI. See, according to Mr. Robert Kiyosaki is a famous author, very, very renowned business person. Many people think him as a modern business guru. You people have heard about Rich Dad Poor Dad. He's the author of that. Today, it is one of the topmost selling book in the world with respect to the entrepreneurship. Now, he explains this. According to him, all over the world, there are only 4 ways of making a legal and ethical income. There are only 4 ways. And there are other ways also which will not come here. That is illegal. Okay. Number 1 is being an employee working for a company. And number 2 is self-employed or small business. Okay, self-employed means like farmer, architect, contractor, consultants. Okay, these people will come under self-employed. Small business means anything which is person dependent, that is small business. B is for big business, where there is a system will be there that will take care of the things, not a person. That is big business. And investor is someone who is having 1,000 crores, 2,000 crores, where they will never work, their money will work for them. Okay, now you see, let us understand the statistics of the world. In the entire world, population wise, there are 97 people, 97% people who are in E and S category. There are only 3% people who are in B and I category. But wealth wise, money wise, this 97% people have only 4% of the wealth, world's wealth. Whereas these 3% people have world's 96% of the wealth. So you have to understand here the difference. Because according to Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, the only difference which separates left and right is their mindset, their thought process. Because these people characteristics are something different, and this side people's characteristics are something different. Exactly opposite thought process. You see an employee or small business, they are always behind money. But this side, they will be never behind money. In fact, they will create something in such a way that money follows them. And these people, right side people are visionaries, but left side people are not visionaries. A very, very major difference. And this left side people are traders. They sell their skill sets to someone like their employer. Imagine he's an employee and he sells his skill set to the employer. In return, he gets back money. But whereas these right side people are not traders, they are leveragers. They use other skills, others' time, and they will make money. They use others' skill, others' time, and they make money. Understand the smartness. And very, very important difference between left and right is left side people, whatever you tell, they are driven by how to do this. Without knowing how, they will not touch anything. But with respect to this right side people, they are driven by why. They are driven by goals. They are driven by dreams. They are driven by strong reasons. Without this, see, you understand why and how, which is important. According to Robert Kiyosaki, if your why is clear, how will it be easy? How is the mechanics? Mechanics means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Why 2 plus 2? Why not 4 plus 4? That is the question. Now, whenever you do anything in this world, if you are clear why you are doing that, how can be learned? Anybody can teach us how to do this, but why cannot be learned? Why has to come within. Okay, always try to have a clear reason. Whatever you are going to start in this world, that will help you very, very badly in getting the success. Now see these success stories. You'll see these all 10 people have listed here, starting from Mark Zuckerberg to Anupam Mittal. You see all these people, they belong to B and I quadrant. B and I quadrant, they are part of 3%ers. Because as I described the features of 3%ers, these people have all the qualities in them. Visionaries, no instant gratification. They know what exactly they are doing, and they know especially why they are doing. What is their goal? What is their dream? They just follow their goal. They just follow their dreams. They are not following mechanics of the business. You see, these people did not invest billions of dollars in building their business. Understand, they are very, very smart. Anyone you take here, they don't have any manufacturing setup, or they don't own any of the services. They create a network of manufacturers, and they create a network of customers, and they provide an interface between these two. With that, they are going to make money. They are making money. You take Jeff Bezos, he is the #1 richest person in the world. Here they know very, very clearly the value of network. The network is your net worth. Now the question to be answered to ourselves is, what is my net worth? What is my net worth today? Am I alone, or I have created a network where in future, if I am not there also, I will pump money, or money will be pumped to my family. That is the value of network. Okay. Now these people know that. So I request everyone to understand the value of network first. Without you understanding this basic knowledge about this direct selling industry, about this network marketing industry, it will be a very, very difficult task for you to take this business project. Let me make it very, very clearly. For any business or any concept, if you want to get into that, you need to learn first. You need to understand the basics of the industry. Once you understand, you can align yourself in the learning process. Otherwise, you can never align yourself into the learning process. I request everyone, please understand the value of network. Okay. A new revolution in Indian direct selling history by India's #1 company in Indian direct selling history, which is in service sector. Background of the company is, the name of the company is NextGen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited, basically an IT based company, started from Pune on 11th December. He is our CMD of the company by name Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman, a very, very innovative and a very, very intellectual person. He is a very big visionary. He comes up with a solution, complete business application called Next Money, which 100% supports Digital India, and it is a Make in India project, and it supports Swachh Bharat as well. It is approved by MSME, Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise. It was launched on 1st January 2017. See, this is list as per the Ministry of Consumer Affairs website. In India, legally, if anyone want to do a direct selling business with proper licenses, they have to register themselves under this website, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. You can see this link. If you go and copy and paste in Google, you will find the list of people who are doing the business legally. In that list, NextGen Inventive is serial numbered at 278 with SIN number. It is headquartered in Pune in the state of Maharashtra. As of now, there are 457 companies which are registered in this website. In that, 456 companies are product based. I'm very, very happy and very, very proud to tell you that Next Money is the first and foremost company which started in service sector. This is the only one company. You can see the GST, trademark, incorporation, PAN card, and MSME certification, but all the things which are required to do a legal business in India, all certificates are shown here. What is the vision of the company? Vision of the company is to become #1 open wallet bank in India, to develop entrepreneurship, to develop e-commerce business, and to develop business to business platform. This is the vision of the company, for which company is working for. Okay. What is the mission of the company? Mission of the company is to support 100% digital India, no hard cash transactions, and to help India to become healthy India, to help India to become a wealthy India. My dear friends, please understand this. A big salute to this gentleman, Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman, where he has provided such a platform where a common man who don't have even a single rupee in his pocket can still start this business, and he can build his fortunes. So that directly or indirectly, he can contribute to the economy of India. Okay. What is Next Money? Next Money is a simple Android application like Paytm or Google Pay, but it is unique. It is having certain unique combinations. Unique combination means e-wallet plus e-commerce plus earning opportunities plus e-learning, that is a digital learning. You see this e-wallet and e-commerce companies you are seeing here, these companies makes us only customers because they work on B2C concept, business to consumer or customer. Next Money makes us business partner because it promotes B2B platform as well. Let us understand the unique selling points. Any business will have its own unique selling points. Let us understand. #1 is, it is the #1 service sector Indian company in direct selling history. Completely zero investment with zero liability business. Here, there is no mandatory that you need to purchase a product in order to start this business. No, absolutely no. You can never purchase any product to start this business. A unique business model with multiple sources of income. There are 9 sources of income. As of now, 7 are active, 2 are going to come very soon. instant payout facility, whatever the business transactions you are going to do from this application, money will come to your wallet within microseconds. All digital services as per your choice. Since all the services as per our choice, it will become very, very easy to recommend. Easy team management. By sitting in your home, you can operate your mobile and manage your team. Fast business movement. Simple, no complication here. Very, very simple business, so that business movement will be very, very fast. Amazing online meeting and training. Like today, what we are doing, we are connected each other. You are sitting somewhere, I am sitting somewhere, but online meeting is happening here. Last but not the least, business nomination facility. It's a second generation business. Anyone wants to start this business, first he has to nominate his nominee, because see, we don't know bad things when it is going to hit us. We should be prepared for it. See, for example, if an X person start this business and he builds this business for 1 or 2 years successfully, if in case if something goes wrong with him medically and he passes away, whatever the business he had built till that time will never go in vain. That will be immediately transferred to his nominee. Very, very critical point and emotional point to be understood. If you understand it, you will take it very, very seriously. How to start? Simple. Go to Play Store, download an application called NextMoney app. Sign up yourself. Once you do sign up, please be very, very careful in only one place where it asks for a referral name. Please make sure that you type correct spellings. If you do a small mistake also, you will be registered under someone wrongly. Afterwards, it cannot be taken back. Okay. Put your mobile number, your email ID, and create your username. I request everyone not to put your name here. Make it as short as possible. Don't make your username more than 4 characters or 4 digits. It may be numbers or it may be characters. Full name as per PAN card, create password and confirm the password. Now, since it's a legal and a legitimate business, you need to provide all these documents in order to complete your KYC. As per government law and guidelines, we need to follow this. KYC means know your customer. Now, let's imagine now you started as a free sign up member, you became a free sign up member. Now, what are the benefits you are going to get? See, all these third-party applications, whatever you are seeing here, you will have an access. Once you enter the application, there will be a section called offers and tie-ups. If you go there, you'll see all these third-party applications where you can shop anything and you'll get a guaranteed lifetime cashback of 0.5 to 10%, depending on different applications. Almost there are 50 applications. One application has 2%, one has 5%, one has 10%, one has 8%. Like that, different applications starts from 0.5 to 10. On an average, you can consider 2% minimum you'll get cashback. You don't get it anywhere outside the NextMoney. If you go to even Amazon also, you don't get this cashback. Okay, that is the power of NextMoney. Now, you can even do insurance from NextMoney. Whatever the insurance you are going to do with respect to, like, for example, term insurance or health insurance, you'll get a 10% cashback on your premium paid. And if you do vehicle insurance, you'll get 5% cashback on your OD premium paid. Now, there are certain services, there are certain prime services. In order to use that, if you want to use it, you have to take a prime membership. Okay, if you want, if at all you want. See, why to take prime membership, everything I will explain. Now let us understand what is the prime membership fee. 1,500 plus 18% GST, that is 1,770 rupees. Not every month, not every year, once in a lifetime. Once in a lifetime. My dear friends, please understand what we will get with 1,770. If I go to a branded shoe showroom, I don't get even a one pair of shoe. If at all, if I get one pair of shoe, what is that I'm getting from that shoe? What is that I'm getting? Understand, my dear friends, it is not about money. It is about the concept. It is about the mindset, what you carry to understand a project. Why prime membership? Prime membership, let us understand, to access all the services and to enjoy the huge earning of this application. Number 2, lifetime guaranteed cashback on all the prime services. Okay, and you will get, once you download and sign up yourself for free, company gives you 50 reward points. If you upgrade, company gives you 1,500 reward points. One reward point values 1 rupee. You cannot take reward points or discount points to your bank, but you can utilize or you can redeem in certain services percentage wise. You will understand once you enter inside. You will also be able to generate discount points. You will understand how to generate discount points. See, discount points and generate reward points, both are same. There is no difference. Only difference is they come from different place, but they go in a single place. You will also earn level cashback. This level cashback I will explain in coming slides. Prime services, let us understand what are the prime services. See, you can do mobile DTH data card recharge. You may think that, so what is the special in that? If you do from here, you will get 2% instant cashback and you can redeem 1% of your reward points. If you do this booking, you will get 2 to 10% instant cashback and you can redeem 1 to 5% of your reward points. If you shop from Next Shopping, you can redeem up to 70% of your reward points and you will get up to 20% of the cashback. Third party applications I've already explained. What is the product of the company? Product of the company is not a physical product. Product of the company is lifetime guaranteed cashback service on all the transactions, whatever you are going to do from this application. There are certain services where you will not get cashback, but you will get some benefits. See, if you these bills you need mandatorily every month. Instead of paying it somewhere, if you pay this from Next Money, you will get 25% discount points. If you pay 1,000 rupees electricity bill, you will get 250 discount points. Discount points, one discount point values 1 rupee. Again, you cannot transfer it to your bank. You can utilize it phase wise. You can redeem it phase wise. Ways of earning. Number one, saving is earning, referral program, repurchase income, team royalty, company royalty, leadership royalty, and merchant royalty. Saving is earning. See, once you become a Prime member, if you at all, if you use all these services for your own purpose, see, all these services are required for us. If I use all these services from Next Money, I can save 15 to 20,000 rupees per annum. My dear friends, understand this. What did you give? 1,500 rupees. What did you get back? 1,500 reward points, which is equal to 1,500 rupees. But what is the stake here? Your stake is 18% GST paid to Mr. Narendra Modi. Now, after doing this, you will get an opportunity to save 15 to 20,000 rupees per annum. And an example for it, I could save more than 30,000 rupees in my first month in Next Month by using the services. Okay, is it not a great offer? Just a fantastic offer. Just grab it. Referral program. It's a human tendency. If a person finds something good, unknowingly he will be sharing it to someone. Same way, if you share, if you refer this to someone, there is no limitation here. You can save n number of people. But let me give an example of referring it to only 5 people in your lifetime. By referring it to only 5 people, how we can make a fortune? How we can create a fortune? Let us understand this. Let's say if I refer 5 people, this first 5 people will come on my first level. I will get 20% from each, that is 300 rupees per person. This 1,500 comes to my wallet. I can transfer it to the bank through IMPS or NEFT facility. If this first level 5 people refer their files, that means this 25 people will come on my second level. I will get to 2%, that is 30 rupees per person. Now, till what level company gives money, let us understand. First level 20%, second level 2%, third level 3%. Same way till 10th level company gives you. 10th level 10%, that is 150 rupees per person. If there are 1 crore people in 10th level, 1 crore into 150. Understand this. This is horizontal network building. Okay. But company pays you till 10th level. Beyond 10th level, there is no referral margin. Okay. Now, once a person upgrades himself within microseconds, whatever money he paid, 1,500 rupees, in that 1,110 rupees will be instantly distributed to the top 10 prime distributors. The remaining 390 rupees, in that almost 250 to 300 rupees is again redistributed back to the prime distributors in the form of royalty income and in the form of tour programs. Now you may be thinking, why company is giving a lion's share? If company gets 100 rupees, in that 85 to 90 rupees company is paying to the prime distributors. Why is it so? Then how company is surviving? This question will be there. My dear friends, understand this. We belong to a direct selling industry. The basic principle of the direct selling industry is not to market, advertise, and distribute like a traditional business. Here, there will not be any brand ambassador like Rahul Dravid or Amitabh Bachchan. We are the brand ambassadors of this business. The more we promote this business, the more network we'll be creating and the more stability we'll be having in our financials. You see, friends, you take any brand ambassador, you take Roger Federer. You take Roger Federer, whatever he comes and just advertise it, okay, we will purchase it. We'll purchase it because he's Roger Federer. Whatever he talks, if he holds A small soap also, it will get a brand value for it because it is in the hand of Roger Federer. Roger Federer is a brand ambassador. Roger Federer is a sports person, tennis superstar. That's why people buy. But the only difference between Roger Federer and us is he is already a superstar. Afterwards, he started building a brand. But the difference here is we are not a superstar. We are promoting this product and we can become superstar in the future. This is the only difference. Now let us talk about a fantastic concept called power of compounding. Power of compounding, as per Albert Einstein, it is the eighth wonder of the world. According to him, whichever business runs on this concept will never fail. Let us understand what is the power of that. As I already told, I referred 5 people. Same, I'll continue here. I referred 5 people on my first level. They referred their 5. It became 25 in second level. Third level is 125. Fourth level 625. You see how power of compounding works from fifth level. Fourth level 37,000 income. Fifth level it becomes 2 lakh 34. Sixth level 14 lakhs. Seventh level 82 lakhs. Eighth level 4 crore 68 lakhs. Ninth level 26 crores. 10th level 146 crores. All put together 178 crores is the earning potential if you are dedicated and disciplined, and if you have the ability to duplicate the things rightly. If you don't have the ability, you have to learn it. If you want to earn, you have to learn the skill sets. Okay, this is the key point here. Every business will have its own success and failure rate. If you are 100% success, you'll make 178 crores. If you're 10% success, you'll make 17.8 crores. If you're 1% success also, still you'll make 1.78 crores. My dear friends, I have a challenge for you. Whatever the profession or job you are into, after failing 90% there, can you make 17.8 crores in 5 years, in 10 years? If your answer is yes, you are in a right path already. This business is not required for you. If your answer is no, please understand it very, very carefully. And whatever I explained is a business plan. It is a business plan based on scientific calculation, proved calculations. But that will not change here. That will not change. The only thing which matters here is who you are. What kind of success you want badly. What kind of wealth you want to create. Why you want to do this business? Because these are the questions which can help you to achieve this huge money. Otherwise, it will remain a business plan. Simple. It will remain a business plan. Repurchase income, I told my favorite income. This is also known as level cashback. See, imagine this is you. Below you, from your first level to 10th level, there are 10 people. Whatever the team size may be, depending on the overall team cashback, whatever the income your team makes, in the 25% of the money is distributed to the top 10 distributors, 1 to 10 levels. Okay, how it is exactly, let us understand. I will show you an example. Imagine Jio Recharge. Let's say you have a team size of 10 lakh people down from 2 to 3 years. Okay, imagine each person did a mobile recharge of 200 rupees every month. What is the cashback? Is going to get 2%. 4 rupees is the cashback one person makes. What about 10 lakh people? 40 lakh is the total team cashback. 25% of it is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs divided by 10 level is 1 lakh rupee per month. You can make only from your team's mobile recharge. Can you imagine this income? Unbelievable, unbelievable concept. Till date, I have never come across. Okay. See, I gave an example of mobile recharge. Same calculation applies to DTH, data card recharge, bus, flight, hotel booking, all third-party application shopping, all insurance purchases, and the next shopping portal shopping as well. If everyone does all these things, their basic necessities, can you imagine the income what you can make? You can make more than 10 lakh rupee per month only is level cashback. Depends on your team size. So the concept wise, you have to concentrate on building a huge team with a proper, strong vision. This business can change your fortunes. Since we are a closed wallet, all cashback money cannot be taken taken to the bank now, because we are a closed wallet. Once we become open wallet, we can transfer even cashback money to the bank. But what we can do, the cashback income, 100% of our cashback income can be used in paying all these bills. Now, till now I explained you about the 10th level income. If at all a person joins your organization at 11th level, will you make any money? No, you will not be able to make any money. But what is the option? Company has given an option in the form of royalty income. Let us understand what is that royalty. Silver royalty, gold royalty, and diamond royalty. In order to achieve silver royalty, you referred 5 people. Below any one of them, if you build from level 2 to level 10, you will become a silver star. You will get 1% royalty. That is, whoever joins your organization from your 11th level to nth level, you will make 15 rupees per person. Payment will be made on differential basis. You want to achieve gold royalty or to become a gold star? Now to become gold star, you referred 5 people. Help those first level 5 people to complete their silver. Automatically you will complete your gold. You will get 2% royalty. 30 rupees per person from 11th level to nth level. Payment will be made on differential basis. Diamond royalty, you referred 5 people. Below them from their first level to 10th level, if there are 5 gold stars from 5 different legs, you will become a diamond star. You will get 3% royalty. That is 45 rupees per person from 11th level to nth level. Company royalty, again just mind blowing. I don't have words to explain this, because according to my knowledge, this is the first time I am seeing in any compensation plan. Okay, please give 100% focus here to understand this. In order to achieve company royalty, you have to become a crown diamond star. How to become crown diamond star? You referred 5 people. Below them from their first level to 10th level, if there are 5 diamond stars from 5 different legs, you will be a crown diamond star. Once you become a crown diamond star, whatever the joining turnover happens to the company on daily basis, 1% comes to a pocket. Worst case, minimum 1000 upgrades are happening. 1000 into 1500 is 15 lakhs. 1% of it is 15,000 rupees per day will be your crown diamond royalty. Once you become crown diamond star, you will be financially free. According to me, 8 to 10 lakhs or 12 lakhs easily you can make per month. My dear friends, can you imagine this income? Only see, understand the crown diamond royalty. Once you become crown diamond star, all over India, whoever upgrades anywhere from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you will make 15 rupees. Mind blowing. You will even earn from your uplines organization, crosslines organization, downlines organization, all connect, no connection organization also you will make money. That is the power of next month. In order to achieve leadership royalty, you have to become a silver star. Once you become silver star, help your first level 5 people to find their 5. Then you will be qualified for leadership royalty. What is that you will receive? Once you achieve leadership royalty, the first level 5 people, whatever they are going to earn on daily basis, you will make 10% extra from them. Powerful concept again. Merchant royalty, any business person in India, you can make him a next money merchant. But I don't want to talk much about it, because see, once you have a huge network only, you can make huge money from it. So first try to build your network. Afterwards, we can discuss about it. Still, if you want to understand something, you can contact me personally. You will get support from company. Whenever you upgrade, you will get a free gift of 1500 reward points. Promotional tour offers are going on, special OTP offers going on. You will get support from your upline through daily plan presentation, daily training, through digital success support system. Now there are certain steps to be followed in order to be successful. Please listen to it very, very carefully. Number 1, upgrade your prime membership. If at all you are convinced, yes, this business I can do wonders, you upgrade. Otherwise, remain a free sign up member till you understand. Please attend webinars on daily basis consistently. If you attend morning evening for 10 days, you will understand this business. Okay, after that, once you become prime member, don't do it in your own style. My dear friends, let me remind you, don't do this business in your own style. I did it and I failed miserably. What I did afterwards, I changed myself, I changed my thought process, I understood the concept very, very clearly, and I followed the successful people, whatever they are doing, and I did that. I am doing it. It is not as per my own thoughts. No, I am just following a successful person. That's it. Here also you need to, don't use your brain, just follow, just invite people to the webinar. They will understand. If they have any queries, speaker will clear it. Be in tight communication with your active upline, very, very important one. And attend daily trainings. It is must. If anyone does not have time to attend morning evening, take it from me, you can never be successful in this business. I am telling upfront, because webinar is the one thing which will throw you some light on the knowledge, on the usage of application, on the knowledge, on the concept of this industry, on objection handling, how to talk to people, how to prospect people. It is a huge industry, my dear friends. Don't think that I just referred this person, I got this money. No, you may make a short-term money, but long-term you will not sustain. Understand it from the root level and make it a practice. Not to do, there are certain things you should not do. Don't share plan in shortcut. Don't spam plans on WhatsApp and Facebook group. Don't explain plan on phone without any training and achievement. Until unless, according to me, if you ask me, without being a silver star, don't do any plans. If you have more than 3 months experience where you have underwent the trainings continuously for 3 months, you can do it, exceptional case. But don't become a teacher without you understanding it. Don't ignore your sponsor message. There are some promotional offers going on. If your team size is 525 within 30 days of your registration, you'll be qualified for Goa trip 100% sponsored by company. If your team size 525, 125 within 90 days of your registration, understand it, free registration, 90 days from date of free registration, not your prime membership. Okay, you'll be qualified for Dubai and Bali trip 100% sponsored by company. If your team size is 525, 125, 625, there is no time limitation here. Whenever you do it, you'll be qualified for Dubai or Bali trip 100% sponsored by company. Your success is our machine. Download, sign up and upgrade yourself. In order to upgrade, there are a lot of options. Add 1770 to the wallet and upgrade yourself. Thank you very much for giving your valuable time in understanding this business project. If anyone has any questions, they can raise their hands.